Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI solutions with OpenAI, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy AI solutions with OpenAI, begin by identifying your project requirements. Determine the specific use case for artificial intelligence in your application. Research the OpenAI models that align with your project goals. Familiarize yourself with the OpenAI API documentation for implementation guidelines. Set up an OpenAI account if you haven't already. Acquire an API key from OpenAI to authenticate your application. Choose the programming language you will use for development. If you're using Python, install the OpenAI library via pip. Ensure all dependencies are installed and your environment is configured properly. Start by importing the OpenAI library in your code. Initialize the API client with your API key for secure communication. Create a prompt that your AI model will use to generate responses. Test your prompt by sending a request to the OpenAI service. Analyze the response to ensure it meets your expectations. Adjust your prompt as necessary to improve the output quality. Consider implementing error handling to manage unforeseen issues during API calls. Next, integrate the OpenAI API into your application. Ensure seamless connectivity between your front-end and back-end systems. Conduct user testing to gather feedback on the AI capabilities. Iterate on the user experience based on feedback received. Once satisfied with functionality, prepare for deployment. Choose a hosting service suitable for your AI application. Deploy your application to the chosen service. Monitor the performance of your AI solution post-deployment. Continue to update and iterate on your models as new data becomes available. Evaluate user interactions to refine the use case further. Stay informed about OpenAI updates and new features. Plan for future scaling to accommodate growing user demand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.